Hi, welcome to this video on how to install software from the Software Center. Let's get started. Now in this example, we'll be installing the Smart Notebook software from the Software Center. First thing we want to do is find the Software Center. For most of us, if we go down to the Windows icon down here and click on that, we typically will have Software Center somewhere in, this is called the Start menu right here. So if it's not there, there's a second place you can go. If you scroll down to the M's, we're looking for a folder that reads Microsoft System Center. Right here, they tuck it away in here. If you click on that, there's your Software Center. Here's a little bonus tip. If you left click and drag that to your desktop, you can actually create a shortcut to the Software Center on your desktop. Now, once you're here, all you need to do is search for what kind of software you're looking for. In this case, again, we're looking for the Smart Notebook software. And I don't need to type the entire thing. I could just type some keywords. For instance, Smart, search for it. And there's the Smart Learning Suite, which is otherwise known as Smart Notebook. Click once on it, and there's the Install button. Once you install that, your software will be installed in your machine. That's how you install software in the Software Center. Thanks.